Have you ever seen these things before? I mean, they advertise these things as low temperature welding sticks, and it's supposed to be a lot easier and a lot safer than this thing. But I've got my bloody doubts. How can anything like this have any bloody integrity at all when it comes to welding? So let's try it out on the workshop kettle. As you can see, all the water's persisting out of it. We've got a bloody hole in it. Now, according to the ad they're showing online, this should be able to fix that no problem at all, and we don't need to use a bloody welder. This is the instructions that you get with it, and there's not a bloody word of English. I brought 6 of these bloody things, and it cost about $3. So if it can fix a hole in my kettle, it's got to be worthwhile, right? Only one way to find out. Let's try the sucker out. Look at it. Oh, it looks like it's on bloody fire. Here we go, here we go, here we go. This is going to be so awesome, Pete. Just melt it and stick it on like they showed us. Holy shit, guys, this stuff stinks. Oh, it looks like it's on bloody fire. Oh, far out. That stuff really stinks, guys. Oh, fuck. Whew. Oh, that is the worst smell. What the hell is in this shit? I don't know what the hell's in it, guys. Can you see it here? It's got a purple flame. It's actually burning on its own. I've never smelled anything so bloody bad in my life. Look at it. Look what it's doing. Oh, shit, Pete. Making me eyes water. Oh, wow. It's making me eyes water. Look at this. Put the bloody thing out. Oh, that is really bad. Oh. I don't know what the hell's in this shit, but don't use it. Oh, wait. It's really, see that? It's really, really light and it's brittle. I don't know what the hell it is, but it can't be good for you. Man, oh man, that's terrible. Woo-hoo-hoo. Actually, it's even made my nose run. Oh, shit. But is it actually waterproof? I think it might have fixed the leak. I think what? Yeah, maybe. Yuck. Look at it. It's like, now it's all stringy and gooey. It's freaking horrible. And the way that smells, there's no way in hell I'm gonna drink a cup of tea out of this thing ever again. So you know what you can do with your low temperature welding sticks? Get out of here, man. Man, that's just disgusting. That would be the worst thing I've ever tested online before. Man. Talk about a headache. I'm going to go inside and take some bloody Panadols now for my headache. Whew. Well, maybe I'll just have another couple of beers. That might get rid of it. Put in the comments below if you've had any issues with those stupid things. See you next time.